Hello friends, Duncan here. Currently located in beautiful Greenville, South Carolina, along the banks of the Reedy River. And behind me is a beautiful pedestrian bridge that was built several years ago. And there's quite an interesting story about that. There used to actually be a roadway that connected north and the south side of the street. And there are some people that used to drive back and forth across that, demolished that bridge. They took it away. The area was completely overgrown on both banks of the river, cleared everything out and opened it up to reveal this beautiful waterfall that's behind there. And I've actually known people that have kayaked down this river from time to time in high water to get down to the other side. But there's some beautiful parks down there. There's some amphitheater areas. And there's also pedestrian walkways and walking trails on both sides of the river that actually connect all the way up north about 20 or 30 miles. So it really has opened up the possibility for walking, running, biking, all that. But this is a beautiful area here located on the Reedy River with the bridge. And I had a chance this morning to fly my drone. I am within an authorization area, so I had to apply for that. Was granted that by the FAA. I had a maximum height restriction of 100 feet, which of course I had to honor. But other than that, very beautiful flight up and down the river, and actually had a chance to fly under the bridge. So look for that footage here coming up in just a bit. So enjoy.